Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Time to hop on the Disney Celebration train set. 200 pieces here, 6 minifigures, it's $60 because, it's Disney and we're celebrating 100 years. I found it for $47 in Target, so I'd shop around for this. It actually looks really cute. I love that pirate flag there on the Peter Pan float, and we get a Moana minifig. Looks pretty cool. Let's open it up here and rip the box apart. And we get a little bow there, I presume for Minnie Mouse. Instructions are nicely packaged, and because it's a 4+ set, there's no stickers. I presume a lot of adult fans of Lego will be purchasing this set for the characters because they do look pretty good, and a lot of the printed parts in this. And why did they insist on doing this? It's ripping again. Ugh. Alright, let's see the instructions. And because it's a 4+ set, we are getting 5 instructions here, one separate for each of the bags. Oh, there's Sheriff Woody on the float and Moana on her island home. I think that Peter Pan one's my favourite. Alrighty, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's build! Mickey Mouse is first, and I love his train conductor's uniform there with the silver pinstripes, and he's got a little pocket watch. And we're going to give him this red balloon to hold, and he needs to sit down because it's a little bit heavy for him. He's so cute. Now Peter's next. His face looks pretty much the same with his high arched eyebrows, but his legs, I'm a little disappointed they didn't give us more details on the legs. The hat mould is the same. I would have loved more detail on his pants, and he's holding his little telescope there. Now Tinkerbell. So her printing looks very similar, but we don't get a skirt there. And her wings are different. These look like from the video series wings. And her face is pretty much the same, but we don't get 2 facial expressions, which I would have loved. And her hairpiece, her iconic little bun there. And she's going to hold this pink or magenta balloon, and we're going to sit her down next to Peter. Love Sheriff Woody, and that's the minifig we got back in 2010. And why didn't they include it in this set? I wanted his head and his legs. Instead we get a minifig head with 2 faces, which is good, I guess. His little hat there, which I love, and he's going to be playing a guitar there on the float. I would have loved the 2010 minifig for this. It would have really finished the set off, I think. Now Moana, she's got some very detailed printing there. So there's the mini doll version, which I absolutely love. That's the original Moana. She gets 2 prints on her face, which is cool. So she's got this little smirky face, and she gets the new mini doll hair. They should have made a proper hairpiece for her for minifig form. But she's going to hold a paddle because she is going to go up the creek with her paddle. There she goes. She's going to stand over here waiting for Minnie Mouse. I do love that Minnie Mouse gets this cloth skirt, which you got to pop on, and it's got the polka dots there for her. Love her eyelashes. We put her big Minnie Mouse bow on. Little bit of print on the back there. I love her. She is gorgeous. She is celebrating with a yellow balloon next to Mickey. This is Mickey's Locomotive, and I really love how it's built, and the printed brick, gorgeous. Now I think this is why the set's so expensive, because of the printed parts, and the Mickey head silhouette there, finishing off the train with these pearl gold wheels. That's gorgeous, and Mickey's jumping on to drive away. I think this is my favourite part of the train, is the Captain Hook boat ship. It is so cleverly built for such a small area, I feel. And I really love this printed cloth flag. Look at that. That looks so gorgeous. And I love the amount of detail on this, and it's going to look awesome as a parade float in your city. So let's pop Tink on there and Peter, and we've got to connect it to the train and get away from Captain Hook. Sheriff Woody's float's next, and it's his little sheriff's office. And I really love the print and font on this sheriff sign. It looks really nice. The cactus is cool, and then his little sheriff badge is in the barrel there. I don't know why. And he's going to do some songs on this little rotating stage. I still would have preferred the old Woody. In here is the Heart of Te Fiti, and I would have loved the printed tile from Moana's sets. That would have been nice for this, especially for the price you pay. But anyway, this is gorgeous. I love the little wave there with the crab underneath. Then we hide the little Heart of Te Fiti at the back there. And Moana's going to do some surfing on her wave there. She's paddling down the surf. Oh, that's cute, that train. Off you go. Now this little side build, I think it's meant to be the train station with Mickey's silhouette there. Looks very plain, but I do love you get cupcakes. So this is the set. It is very cute, but this little side build, not sure about. The Disney Celebration train set. Cute set. It is meant to be a parade float. And they have done really well with the amount of room they had on each float to build quite a bit of detail there. I feel that little side train station could have had a little bit more detail, especially for the price. 60 Australian dollars is a lot for a set like this. I would hunt around for it if it's on sale, but then will a lot of people buy it because it's the 100 years of Disney? Anyways, everyone, get your bricks out.